Hello, I am Kayla Eldridge, and I am here to talk to you today about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology. Electronic technology includes devices and equipment such as cell phones, computers, tablets, as well as communication tools including emails, social media sites, text messages, chat, and websites. Most students have rumors spread about them. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. There are different forms of online harassment that take place in and out of school. Here are some of the forms of cyberbullying. Exclusion is when someone is deliberately excluded from online activities. Sometimes they may not have the latest technology or don't have a telephone, and so they're excluded from activities. Harassment can be sustained or intentional bullying with abusive messaging. Outing is the act of publicly humiliating a child through posting without their consent. Cyberstalking, attackers harass the victim. Fraping, you log on to an account and impersonate that person. Fake profiles are used to created to hide real identities with the intent of cyberbullying. Dissing is sending or posting cruel information to damage a reputation. Trickery is gaining trust so secrets can be shared. Trolling is provoking a response through insults. And catfishing is stealing online identities and recreating the profiles for deceptive purposes. Each and every one of these is a form of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can spread like a virus. It is highly contagious and no one is immune, though some may suffer more than others. Those that bully can be individuals with a history of negative and violent environments. They may spread hate with anger, envy, insecurity, or due to peer pressure. They may even be unaware that what they're doing is wrong. Cyberbullying can carry consequences both out of school and in school. Out of school can be done through criminal or civil channels. Our district policy indicates that discipline guidelines for student bullying may be found in student and employee handbooks. Offenses over time or single offenses which are severe in nature may result in discipline up to and including suspension and or expulsion or termination from employment. Parents participating in prohibited bullying conduct aimed at district students and or staff members may jeopardize their access to district facilities, district property, school-sponsored activities, programs, and events, and or district students and or staff members through the district's communication systems. There are things that you can do to help prevent or curb cyberbullying. You can help by reporting it to the school, collecting evidence that the bullying has happened, report it to the site, app, or game which is being used, talk to a trusted adult, demonstrate care to the person being bullied, work together with that person to help them find help, tell the bully to stop, don't encourage the bully, stay safe, and don't ever give up. These graphs can show how schools like Derby with the no cell phone policy tend to have more reported cases of cyberbullying. There's also been an increase in cyberbullying from 2010 to 2016, likely due to the increase in technology use. These are the references which were used for this presentation. Thank you for listening and do your best to try not to be a cyberbully.